In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use color correction in CapCut PC. This is good if you want to improve your video colors or your video quality. So first, of course, drag your media on the timeline. So select your clip. Then next is switch to the Adjust tab. And here, open up color correction. So make sure that you also tick the box beside it to enable it. And here, just move the slider to adjust the intensity. And you can also move to HSL where you can fine tune individual colors like red, blue, or green, which is perfect for adjusting skin tones or enhancing specific colors. And in this section, you can be more specific in adjusting the quality of your video. And once you're satisfied with the result, make sure that you click on Save. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one.